Here's a quick tip on an alternative way to remove a stripped screw that there's nothing left in the head. You can't get a screwdriver in there. The impact screwdriver can't sit in there either, especially on brake rotor screws like this. So this brake rotor is being replaced and the other tech managed to damage the head. Didn't use the impact screwdriver in time and the head got damaged. Now what I use is the air hammer with a pointed chisel, and that pointed chisel allows me to get in to the edge of it and start to vibrate in and shake this screw loose. So what I do is I use the variable trigger, what you're hearing here, apply gentle pressure on the edge of it because I don't want to damage anything either, and I'm trying to move it anti-clockwise while I apply the pressure. So if you have that inwards motion while also pushing left, you can actually shake these free quite easily. I've used this tons of times over the years. I've used this tool on multiple different damaged things to work it out. But you can see here a close-up now where it starts to move. And once you get it to actually turn once, you're golden after that. So it's just moved there. All you need is a flat screwdriver after that and it will start to move free.
Flat screwdriver, medium size.
And just like that, it is now moving and free and ready to come out. So by using this quick tip, we're able to take this strip screw out relatively easy without much fuss. Not something you'd use every day, but definitely useful to have in the back of your mind should this ever happen to you. You can use a hammer and a punch direct on it as well if you don't have an air hammer, and you can apply the same method and hopefully you can get this moving for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.